Hello, I'm Jessie Deol, your East Bay luxury broker. What does $7 million buy you in Danville? Let's find out. This secluded sanctuary is one of just 4 residences at the top of a private road. Stepping through the oversized entry door, you're immediately greeted by high ceilings and an abundance of natural light. The formal sitting room continues the bright, open feeling with large windows and one of 4 fireplaces found throughout the home. And FYI, this video has no filters or artificial brightening. This is the home's actual natural light. Next, let's make our way into the dining room. One of my favorite details is the elegant wainscoting and the wall sconces. And for the wine lovers, there's a built-in wine refrigerator with room for 137 bottles. The home has extensive crown molding, decorative millwork, and beautiful trim around the windows, doors, and openings. From here, we enter a butler's pantry with beautiful glass front display cabinetry, all soft close of course. On our right, we have a large pantry, and one thing you'll quickly notice about this house is there's storage galore, along with plenty of prep and serve space. This home really is an entertainer's dream. You'll notice layers of LED lighting throughout, cove lighting, recess lighting, task lighting, art lighting, a small detail that makes a big difference. Here we have a full bathroom with a walk-in shower and backyard access. The next room has endless possibilities: game room, lounge, second dining room, pool table, take your pick. The wide sliding glass doors connect the room directly to the backyard, giving it that quintessential California indoor-outdoor feeling. As we make our way back into the kitchen, check out the Sub-Zero fridge, hidden completely behind matching cabinetry panels. They're integrated so seamlessly, you might mistake all that gorgeous woodwork for a pantry. Now, let's talk about this gourmet kitchen, a culinary dream designed by an actual chef. There's a warming drawer, refrigerated prep drawers, and of course, the main event, the 60-inch wolf range. There's a stock pot faucet so you can fill those giant pots exactly where you need them. This beast has a custom hood, 6 burners, a griddle, a grill, and 2 full-size ovens. There are 2 microwaves, 2 dishwashers, a massive farmhouse sink with a filtered water faucet, a removable butcher block prep table, plus an additional mini fridge, perfect for your secret stash of goodies. Every detail here is designed around how a kitchen is actually used. There's a pull-out organizer for utensils and cooking tools, and one of my favorite features, a built-in mixer stand that lifts into position and has its own outlet. When you're done, the whole thing disappears neatly back into the cabinetry. The kitchen opens into a bright breakfast nook surrounded by large windows with greenery visible from nearly every angle. Then we enter the great room with high ceilings, built-in cabinetry, a fireplace, and doors opening directly to the pool. Outside, there's a swimming pool surrounded by beautiful views. We'll come back and explore more of the backyard later. The first bedroom has double doors and could work equally well as a private office or a library. It has its own bathroom with a walk-in shower and heated floors. Next, we make our way through another full-sized bathroom, also with heated flooring, and a combined tub and shower, followed by a second bedroom. Here's the third bedroom on this level. Again, check out that detailed trim around the windows and doors. The attention to detail continues everywhere. The laundry room is especially spacious. The primary bedroom feels more like its own private living space, with high ceilings, abundant windows, and a fireplace finished with agate stone. French doors provide private access to the pool area, and I love the arched window details here. The primary bathroom includes heated floors, a large jetted soaking tub, and an oversized steam shower with multiple shower heads and built-in niches. There's also a built-in makeup vanity, illuminated mirrors, and more of the layered lighting you see throughout the home. The large walk-in closet is essentially a blank canvas for a fully customized wardrobe designed exactly to your liking. Now let's head downstairs. Lighting built into the staircase leads to the full lower level entertaining space, and despite being downstairs, there's still plenty of natural light. Theater, game room, gym, additional living area, whatever suits you. In the corner is a complete bar with upper and lower cabinetry, quartz countertops, a stainless steel sink, and custom LED lighting. There's also a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, and again, heated flooring, along with an additional bedroom and a large closet. My vision for this room, a mini home gym, maybe an infrared sauna in the closet space. Now, let's head back outside and explore the lush surroundings, illuminated decks, patios, and walkways. The property is surrounded by additional land extending beyond the immediate backyard. As for security, the property is fully fenced with a top-of-the-line security system. And did I mention the views of Mount Diablo? Here's a covered Michael Phelps swim spa where you can swim against the current for an athlete-level workout, or just turn on the jets and chill. There's a lighted sports court for shooting some hoops, playing pickleball, or whatever else you're into. Badminton, perhaps? And the entire property has so much rooms for your dogs to run wild, or for the cat peeps, build the catio of your dreams. Finally, let's check out the ADU. The 1,006 square foot ADU has its own private entrance and balcony, making it well suited for extended family, in-laws, live-in assistants, overnight guests, an art studio, or whatever your heart desires. Inside, there are high ceilings, a full kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and enough room for a separate living and dining areas. The bedroom has direct balcony access, includes a 2-in-1 washer-dryer, and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. The home is minutes from top-rated schools, shopping, and trails. And even the drive-up is beautiful. So, would you live at this property? If you'd like to see it in person, reach out to schedule a private tour.